So recently I got contacted by a refrigerator company called Bodega. They asked if I would be interested in trying out one of the products, and they sent me out one of their slide drawer refrigerators. So let's check it out. Inside you're going to have your adapters, you're going to have your DC and your AC adapters, you're going to have your mounting brackets, and your instruction manual. Power it on, you're going to hit the power button. Inside you're going to have two dividers. Out here getting ready to go on a little trip. I want to give a little bit more information on this Bodegacooler's drawer refrigerator. It's a 12 volt drawer system. It's got a capacity of 32.8 quarts. It's got a temperature range of -4 to 68 degrees. I've been finding it relatively consistent. Air is coming out at the set settings, and then the food and everything will be within about 5 to 10 degrees. This unit weighs 43 pounds. The dimensions are 17.3 by 28.8 by 9.8 inches. It has an internal capacity of 31 liters. I've been using the cooler for about a month now. I have accidentally had it in the elements, so it's been rained on. I've had it on trails, so it's been covered in dust, and it's been operating perfectly fine. I've intentionally left it plugged in my garage, so it's been running straight for about a month. The only time it goes off is when I move it from the garage over into the back of my truck. But it's been running great. I'll just show you how I set it up for a trip. I've got 12 volt plumb to the bed of my truck, so this will power the unit. I will take the refrigerator, back until it touches, pull it forward just a little bit. I need to move it to the inside of the truck as much as I can, because when I open it up the drawer, I might hit this, so it has to go this way all the way for me. And then I use ratchet straps to hold everything down. To prevent damage for the top, I've got this big gym mat that I'll stick on top, just so that when it ratchets down, it's pressing down on this and not on the metal itself. There you go. And then I'll plug it in. It's ready to go. Now we'll load it up with some food and we'll go cook something.